Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a mobile menu to your desktop site in WordPress Blocksy. So we're here on our website. Let's go ahead and click on Customize. And unfortunately, you're going to have to need Blocksy Pro to get the mobile menu on your desktop site. So we're here on Blocksy in the Customizer. Let's go under Header, and you'll scroll down and you will find Trigger. And once you have Trigger, just let's go ahead and put it on, it's right beside, or let's go ahead and put this down here, and let's close this, and we will have our Trigger over here. And once we click on that to edit it, we can change the icon size, right? We can change the design, the color, the default state, and let's go ahead and, over here we have our off canvas area, and then we can put in our menu 1. So there you go. Once you click on that, that's what happens. And then you can take a look at our tutorial on how to configure your mobile menu because it's just the same. So let's go ahead and click on Publish. And with that done, let's head over back to our main site. And here you can see the normal menu has vanished. Let's click on our off-canvas menu or our mobile menu. And as you can see, we now have our mobile menu on our desktop site header. So if you found that helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.